Hello, this is Devin Guerra, and we're just going to be going through Lab 3, covering Chapter 3 of using Automod, which is basically just saving, exporting files, archiving, things like that. So we're going to go to Chapter 3 and look at the tutorials for this chapter. And here we go here. So the first one is archiving a model in the zip format. So that's pretty easily done. We're going to start by exporting this file. We're going to go to File, Export, Yes. Alright, so that's done. And now we're going to go to our model zip. And we got to browse for this model. And so I'm going to just get one of the demo models from Automod. And there we are. We got the model. So I opened it up. I'm going to browse. I'm going to browse for a place to put it in and give it a name. I'll just put it on the desktop, and I'm going to give it the file name Devin example, and then save that. And then we will archive, and it gives me this little pop-up. But I found that even though it gives that, it still pulls up the zip file here, so we archived it correctly. And then there's one more tutorial here for us to do, and that's printing out our model logic. So I'm going to go back to Automod here. I am just going to expand that. I'm going to go and edit our source file. And then what this editor is called, it's called bedit. And basically we're just going to be saving this as a txt file. So I'm going to give it devin.txt. Save it to our desktop here. I believe that's what it says for me to do. And there we go. So we save that. Navigate to the location where we now found it. And so yeah, let's go and view that file. And so as you can see here, we have it as a txt. And now we can do whatever we want with this. We can send it places, we can print it, do whatever. So that basically concludes this video and the tutorials from that Chapter 3 section. I've also gone ahead and completed all of these questions that came with the lab. But those will be included with the submission, and if you so desire. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you for joining.